Spotify user, do you want to listen to your music every time, everywhere, on every device? Try out our TuneBank's Spotify music converter and get all your songs. How to use our TuneBank Spotify music converter? Simply open our program. Spotify will open too. Choose your song from your Spotify playlist or you can also choose the whole album simply with drag and drop. All the songs will come over. You also can just search for a single song, take it by copy song link, paste it into the searching line and add the file. There's your song. Our software has 5 different languages to choose, and before you start your converting progress, you can choose your format, choose MP3. If you want a single song to be in a different format, you just click on your song and change the format to format. Now you press convert all and all your songs are converted. After starting the conversion, you want to find your songs, you press on finished, and your finished converted songs are all here. You go to the view output file and find the songs you just downloaded. Where to find our TuneBank Spotify converter? Simply open your browser, type in TuneBank, go to our products and choose the Spotify music converter. And here you get to the download, try it out.